Alright, welcome to the channel. This is my 2022 Ducati Streetfighter V4s, and today it's about time for the annual service, which includes doing an oil change, and then I'll take it to the dealer for them to go and clear everything. And we've got Motul V300 that we're throwing into it.
Well, this is a cool little feature right here. If I can do it one-handed. Oh, there we go. Ooh, look at that. Pretty nifty.
Smells like dead dinosaurs. Alright, so we've got our oil filter.
It's supposed to feel.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain.
Alright, so in order to do the oil change, the only tools that you need are a 14mm wrench and an 8mm socket. Alright, let's go ahead and drain this oil.
There's so much more that's gonna go on.
Oh my god, I got it right.
Alright, so in order to get the filter housing off, you gotta have these larger Sorry, babe. I made a mess.
You are a mess.
I am.
After you pull your drain plug, there's gonna be some debris, some material on the magnet. You want to make sure that you clean it, just wipe it off really good. And then right here is this little washer. You want to pop that washer off and replace it. Ducati recommends replacing this every oil change. Alright, so now when removing this off of the bike, it's very important to note that you're going to remove the factory bolts first, which goes straight through the house, through this housing hole. These ones, which I believe are an M10, thread into threads that are on this housing. So right here, this threads into here when you're removing. So, see, that screws into there, which pushes this down away from the bike.
I got a question for you. What are those supposed to be torqued to?
Snug. I'm pretty sure.
What are they supposed to be torqued to?
Snug. Alright, so about halfway through this gallon, I'm going to stop and I'm going to go over and I'm going to look at the level on the other side of the pipe.
Stop. We've covered the holes.
Alright, here we go. First start up after oil change. So that right there was us changing the oil
on my beautiful Streetfighter V4s using the Motul V300. Now we're going to go out on a little test drive. If you like this video, you want to see more of it, or you thought it was informative, go ahead and press the like button, subscribe for more, and we'll catch you on the next ride. Pop, 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 pop.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, be ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing